I have seen too many authors pour their heart into writing only to watch their book become invisible after launch week because they believed the myth that great ideas sell themselves. Your message, your calling, your legacy deserves better than that. The difference between a book and a movement comes down to one critical piece: getting a best-selling strategy backed by proven systems for ongoing sales. In nearly 20 years of working with authors, I'm not just aiming for a sales spike or a temporary bestseller badge. I want to help you build a foundation for your cause to create infinite impact. Because what is the point of writing a book if it doesn't reach the people who need it most? Here's what a book launch that creates lasting impact looks like. Number one, alignment before strategy. Before you even touch your marketing plan, you need to get really clear on your avatar, vision, why, and values. And not the way that everybody else teaches it. The way that I teach it goes much deeper and therefore is more effective in conversion. Because without alignment, no marketing approach will ever really deliver the transformation that you are here to create. Number two, remember meaningful connection over algorithms. There is no shortcut to achieving a best-selling book. You need to create genuine relationships with promotional partners who believe in your cause and then know how to naturally activate them into action. And third, I want you to remember that this is about legacy, not just launch week hype. A book launch isn't a single moment. It's about creating something that continues to serve, scale your impact, and open doors long after release day. Book marketing is the bridge between your cause and the people who are waiting to feel seen, heard, and valued through your message. You need an aligned approach, not a cookie cutter launch plan. No two authors have the same purpose, so no two launches should execute the same marketing and sales plan. It's important to work with someone who intimately understands the difference. So let me ask you, are you treating your book like a transaction, or are you creating infinite impact with it?